Have you got an online course that you're gearing up to launch out into the world? Or maybe you've already got a live course, but your student numbers aren't quite what you'd like them to be? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the best types of online course launch and which one's right for you. There are a wide variety of course launch methods, so it's important to choose the one that works best for you. Each launch type has different strengths and weaknesses depending on your circumstances and what stage of your course launch journey that you're at. The most popular launch types are seed launch, pre-sell, open-close launch, challenge, affiliate launch, and evergreen launch. And once you've understood each type of launch, its advantages and its disadvantages, it'll be easy to choose the right one for you to focus on right now. So let's kick it off with the seed launch, or how to launch from nothing. The seed launch is a highly underrated technique, perfect for beginners without any content, email list, or experience. Also referred to as a pilot course or a beta course. So what is an online course seed launch? A seed launch is an effective way to launch your course when all you have is the seed of an idea. You validate your idea by getting a small group of your ideal audience to seed the content creation. You reach out one by one, tell them your concept, and for a deep discount, you invite them to help you create the course with you. The term seed launch was popularized by Jeff Walker in his book Launch and through his own online course launching system, Product Launch Formula. A seed launch is a great way to get your business off the ground without any investment. You can also use it as a precursor to one of the other launch types. It allows you to test the market, gather feedback, and develop a better course. You don't need any pre-existing email list or audience to do a seed launch, although it does help if you have one. You don't even need any course content yet. You just need to be a subject matter expert, comfortable teaching your topic. Some disadvantages then? It can be a little scary asking people to buy into something that doesn't actually exist yet. It will likely require you to have one-to-one conversations directly with people about your topic and often selling directly to them. It is unlikely to generate a large amount of income, especially on your first launch. There is a significant amount of manual work required to make it a success. And the seed launch could fail. Although this would actually be a good thing, as it would help you validate your course idea before you invest any more time or energy. A seed launch could be right for you if you have no audience or email list yet, if you are just starting out or you don't know the best topic or the best content for your course yet. A seed launch could be right for you if you're not sure if anyone's going to buy your course, or if you've never created a digital product before. Now let's talk about launch type 2. The pre-sell, or how to launch your course with no content. The pre-sell launch is another form of early stage course launch, better suited to established experts. A pre-sell is similar to a seed launch, except that it requires you to have an already established audience to sell to. It involves you teasing your audience about the topic and having them buy into the early creation of the course content. You then typically deliver the lessons live week by week, which you then wrap up into a complete product afterwards. It often involves a much more complex marketing campaign at scale with teaser content. Many course creation experts like Amy Porterfield teach and promote the benefits of pre-selling your course. Pre-selling your course allows you to self-fund the creation of the course, generating income before you create the content. It allows you to quickly validate whether your idea will sell well to your audience and test the broad marketing strategy and elements like the course title, promise, and sales copy. Pre-selling can also motivate you to actually go through with the course creation if you're procrastinating, because as soon as you've sold it, you've got paying customers expecting you to show up and deliver on what you promised. Just like with seed launching, it can be scary to sell something that doesn't exist yet. If you sell it before you've created it, you can be on the hook to deliver something that you actually aren't capable of. It can be difficult to generate interest in your course before you have any content available. You can't rely on testimonials from past students to help with sales because, well, there aren't any. A pre-sell launch can be the right option for you if you already have a decent sized audience to sell to. It can be a good idea if you're an established expert in your field with no digital product yet. Maybe you've only done coaching or consulting. A pre-sell launch can be the right option for you if you're unsure what the best topic is for your course and you want to test certain elements like the title and copy before a full launch. A pre-sell launch can be the right option for you if you're confident creating great teaser content and a marketing campaign to build the buzz up front. Now let's talk about the old faithful, the open-close launch, or how to make lots of sales quickly. The open-close launch is the most popular type of course launch by far, effective in a wide variety of situations for established experts. An open-close launch is where enrollment opens for just a short time and then closes again. Most of the most popular established online courses out there use this strategy. For example, B-School by Marie Forleo has been running for years, but only opens enrollment once or twice a year. This type of launch is great for businesses that are looking to make lots of sales over a short time frame. It uses the natural scarcity of a fixed close date to encourage people to take immediate action and buy the course. It is repeatable and can be improved upon each time that you open. It can give you a concentrated amount of energy to throw behind the promotion over a short time, and you can do it as many or as few times as makes sense for your business, from once a month to once a year or just once ever. It can also be timed to coincide with a season or event, like Best Year Ever by Michael Hyatt, which happens every New Year's. The launch itself can be as much or more work than the online course itself took to create. Once it's done, you have to do it all over and over again to generate more sales, and this can lead to the launch hamster wheel effect. After the closing date, people who want to buy can't. They have to wait until the next time the course opens, which means you could be leaving money on the table. An open close could be the right launch for you if you have an established audience to sell to, or if you're an established expert with a proven methodology or system. An open close could be the right launch for you if you have your course content finished already, so you can focus on the actual launch itself. An open close could be the right launch for you if you already have run a seed launch or a pre-sale, or if you don't need the money up front to go and create your course content. Now let's talk about a more recent phenomenon, the challenge launch, or how to build your audience while you launch. The challenge launch option is one that allows you to build your audience while you launch your course. It has become more popular recently as it builds buzz and excitement around your content and your brand, making it much easier to sell. An online course challenge launch is where you run a challenge for a short time around a small topic within your course. Usually free to participate in, challengers typically complete daily activities and share their results online. Often these challenges are run in a public forum or online community to increase the virality of the content itself. And then at the end of the challenge, you would invite participants to continue their journey with you by enrolling on your course. Challenges are usually 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 14 days or 30 days, with the offer usually happening on or after the final day of the challenge. Lisa Johnson recently ran an incredibly effective 30-day visibility sprint, which naturally fed into her visibility course. A challenge launch can be a great way to build a buzz around your content before you launch your course. If you run it publicly, the content created by the participants naturally promotes the challenges to new participants. Free challenges often build a lot of goodwill by offering highly valuable content and engagement and interaction with you at no cost. Because people actively participate in the challenge, they're far more likely to be engaged by the end and therefore want to buy your course. If you have a very large audience, a challenge launch is great free content to encourage more people to buy your premium stuff. Now, if you don't hit the mark with your challenge, then it's very visible how few people are participating. If too few people participate, then it can be demotivating to the people that are engaging who feel like they're alone. It can be hard to find the right balance between asking for too much participation and not asking for enough participation. It takes a lot of live engagement and involvement from you on a daily basis to continuously encourage participants. If the outcomes of your challenge are poor, that will often have a negative effect on your course sales. A challenge launch can be a great idea for you if you're confident that you can quickly build a highly engaged group, or if your challenge surrounds a popular or a trending topic. A challenge launch can be great for you if you have a huge audience, many of whom never actually buy your paid content. A challenge launch can be great for you if you're confident using social media and are happy to engage publicly often. Alright, now let's break out the big guns. The affiliate launch, or how to get others to launch your course for you. Affiliate launches are a highly effective and advanced strategy for massively increasing course sales. An affiliate launch recruits a group of partners with similar audiences to yours to promote your course launch for you. In return, you pay them a commission of typically between 20 to 50% on each course sale that they make for you. Most of the big popular courses that you've seen will be using affiliate launches to promote their sales. If you've ever seen one course creator promoting another course creator's content, chances are that was an affiliate launch. Some of the largest affiliate launch courses include B-School, The Membership Experience by Stu McLaren, Digital Course Academy from Amy Porterfield, but there are hundreds of examples out there. With an affiliate launch, you can reach an audience many times larger than your own very quickly. You can skyrocket your course sales in a very short time. You can create great relationships with some of the most influential creators in your field, and you can build your own email lists and social media following very quickly to allow you to use those in the future for future marketing. You also gain credibility for yourself and your courses by being associated with already trusted experts in your field. Now, with an affiliate launch, you're going to have to pay a commission for every sale, often as high as 50%. You're going to have to create a lot of additional assets to give to the affiliates so they can promote your course for you. You'll have to use some additional software to track the sales so that you can attribute them to the right affiliate. You'll often have to do as much work to engage your affiliates throughout the launch as you do to engage your own audience that you're selling your course to. You're going to need to have a proven sales record to demonstrate the value to your affiliates before they're going to agree to promote you. An affiliate launch could be the right launch for you if you already have a course that you're selling, or if you've run your own course launches successfully already. An affiliate launch could be the right launch for you if you are confident that your course and your marketing materials converts really well already. It could be the right launch for you if you have other products and services that you sell on the back end so that you can make more profit after you've made the initial course sale and paid out that commission to the referrer. Right, now let's talk about our secret weapon, the Evergreen launch, or how to launch over and over again on autopilot. The Evergreen launch is a popular option because it automates most of the processes for you. It takes the successful elements of a live launch and automates them. Usually, it uses paid ads to generate a steady stream of traffic to some sort of automated sales process or funnel. It can also rely on content marketing to generate organic traffic into funnels instead of ads. It often relies on recorded webinars, email automation sequences, and dynamic countdown timers unique to each lead that enters the funnel. It often relies on recorded webinars, email automation sequences, and dynamic countdown timers that can be unique to each lead. Now, most big course creators will move their most popular course launches to Evergreen after a few years of successful live launches. Evergreen launches allow you to attract new students to buy your course constantly, all the time. It's infinitely more scalable than a live launch, allowing you to sell to many more people with much less involvement from you, allowing you to reap the benefit of the content that you created for a long time without much more work. It allows you to automate the process of selling so that you can focus on something entirely new, like a membership or building your community. And many of the tools and most of the content that you've already created will be exactly the same for a live and an Evergreen launch. With an Evergreen launch, however, there can be a lot of moving parts that need to work together, so it can be a bit difficult to orchestrate. It's almost always obvious to customers that a launch isn't live, so the excitement is never as high, and because the excitement isn't as high, course conversion rates will likely take a hit. And as the sales and content isn't being delivered live, it can get stale pretty fast and result in lower engagement over time. An Evergreen launch could be right for you if you already have a history of successful course sales, if you already have a finished course that is selling well already, if you are confident in your marketing messaging and you know that it's optimized to convert really well, and if you're not afraid of technology and using systems and processes to automate business tasks. So there you have it, those are the best types of online course launch. If you're gearing up to launch your own online course soon, or if you're thinking of doing a relaunch or moving up to the next launch level, let me know in the comments which one of these launch types are you going to use, and what's the biggest challenge that you're facing while planning your course launch. Have you seen or participated in any great course launches recently? Leave a comment below and let me know what course was it and what type of launch did they use. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you can be up to date with all of the latest content here at BuddyBoss. Until next time.